I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to download your account statements from Movistar, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the s.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the account section. Once logged in, find the account on my account section in the main menu. This is usually located at the top of the page. Step 3. Select statements or billing. In the account section, look for an option labeled statements, billing, or something similar. Click on it to access your account statements. Step 4. Choose the statement period. You will see a list of available statements. Select the period for which you want to download this statement. This could be monthly or yearly depending on your needs. Step 5. Download the statement. After selecting the desired period, look for a download button. Click it and your statement will be saved to your device. Make sure to check your downloads folder if you can't find it right away. I hope this helps you easily access your account statements. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.